Former actor Nino Mulak breaks down as he looks back on his son Sandro Mulak's ordeal with TV consultants who allegedly abused the young actor. During a hearing of the Senate Committee on Public Information and Mass Media on Wednesday, Nino Mulak says Sandro was traumatized as the young actor tells him his experience with TV consultants Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz.
Para makita mo yung anak mo na nanginginig at hindi niya halos mahawakan yung telepono niya. Nung kinakwento niya sa akin, yung ginawa sa kanya, lalo na si Jojo Nones po, katrabaho namin ni Sensa, walang matigas na pulis sa madilig na wisis. Siya po yung head writer namin. At sobrang galang ko sa kanya, sobrang respeto ko sa kanya. Kaya hindi ko talaga matanggap na nagawa niya sa anak ko.
Nino Mulak says he is frustrated with Nones and Cruz who are supposedly trying to change Sandro's narrative of the story.
Binabaliktad niya na Jojo at ni Richard yung nangyari sa mga comments nila, sa mga press release nila. Yun lang, nakakasama na loob na kung sino pa yung may sala. Yun pa yung nagagawang magbaliktad na storya.
According to Nino Mulak, Sandro is now undergoing counseling with the National Bureau of Investigation. The Senate panel on Public Information and Mass Media has ordered the issuance of subpoena against Nones and Cruz, who were earlier identified as the alleged abusers of Sandro Mulak. Nones and Cruz were identified as independent contractors working for GMA Network. In a document submitted to the panel by Nones and Cruz, the two noted that they are not employees nor part of the management of GMA or Sparkle Artist Management Agency. It was Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada who made the motion during the panel's hearing. Senator Robin Padilla, who heads the panel, recognized Estrada's motion. It was then seconded by Senator Bong Revilla, who was also present during the proceeding. Meanwhile, National Bureau of Investigation's Chief of Public Corrupt Division, Attorney Marie Catherine Nolasco Ilescas, explained that although Sandro is mentally fit based on the findings provided by the NBI's Behavioral Science Division, he is still advised to limit his public speaking engagements.